So these are the earrings we have today. We made today. Isn't it beautiful? That's from mango. That is from jamboree. Just an ordinary beads for the girls that I made. And those are, but isn't it pretty, from the necklace. Very interesting piece. I'm making an earring. So these are some of the earrings I made here. So come on, I'll show you. So I'll show you some of my beads, guys. These are just a few of the beads that I have. So I think if I made very dear friend Marla, that she gave me all of her beads. Look at that. Isn't it pretty? So colorful. And these are some of the jump rings that I bought. And some of this one. These are the spacers, and these are the pencils. And this something what you call it? I forgot this one. It's like a lobster. Yeah, lobster clasp. Yeah, these are the lobster clasps. And this is the crimp. The crimp, guys, is the one that we're going to use for tightening. And some of the clasps for bracelets, and some of those little tiny beads there. And this is, I guess this one for, you know, I'm making a. So these are just a few of my stash. This box looks so clean because I just sorted out yesterday, but this one here, guys, oh yeah, it's just messed up. Some of the one needs some sorting. Isn't it beautiful? Well, these are just for my kids' toys that I got. So yes, from your kids' stuff, these are just a few of the stuff that I have here. And this one here too is very tiny beads. So it was given by Miss Marla. All of this here. She is a dear friend of mine who gave me all these beads because she knows how to beads and she teach me how to beads. So these are the very, very nice crafts that I have in my closet. From the necklace. So I made these earrings. I make taking it apart and make it into earrings. Isn't it pretty? And this is one example too. This is a mango necklace, guys. Look, this is how it looks like. From bigger to the smaller sizes. I still have this on the side. So what I did, I taking this apart so that I can share my earrings to some of my friends. Okay, this is what I got out of this one. And I have the little ones. You see, isn't it pretty? I have a small one and a big one. So in this one, necklace, guys, I made a lot. Not just 20, maybe 30 pairs. So that is a very pretty one, and it's from mango. So another one is this. This is out of a necklace again. So this is the set. This is the earrings, and this is the original, and this is my made. Look at that. I have my fancy little beads there. That makes it so pretty. So which one is prettier, guys? My made or this made? Yes, joke. Okay, so this is part of the earring of the necklace again. And I can make this into a bracelet if I wanted to. And I still can make more of the earrings here, so I have to cut more of this and then made it into earrings. So this is very pretty, guys. I have here another one. And this can be for necklace again if I wanted to. Like this. And earrings. So these are the things, the earrings that I made. So these are the earrings that I made out of the necklaces that I bought. So if you are practicing and you are excited to make your own earrings, just grab something, a necklace, and then made into an earring. So that is the necklace, guys, and I made into a pretty earrings. Isn't it beautiful? This is the necklace, and I made that. This one, I just take some of this flower thingy that dangling there, that dangled. This is the original earrings, but I made that earrings. Isn't it beautiful? And this fancy little sea creature here, starfish, and I made it into a starfish earring. So this is my mango earrings. You see this, guys? This is a jump rings. So this is the jump rings. We need 2 jump rings each. So 2 jump rings each. And then we have to use the red of this. So the LG color for black and red, it's a very perfect combination. And then here is our loop, French loop, French hook. It's not loop, French hook. Okay, we're going to use that one. So to do is to just, yeah, that's how simple is it. We have to put this one ring into this ring of ours, earring of ours, and then attach this one to the red, and red attached to the loop. Okay, so here we go. Big opening, guys, because we have to put this one in. Our French hooks. So that's it. Ta-da! Isn't it beautiful, guys? Going to insert our charmer, which is the beads, and insert your French hooks, and after that we are going to attach this. So hold it tight. it. Our earring. Look, it becomes an earrings. Isn't it pretty? So this is another earring. And after that, we have to take this one here. That looks fancy. See that? And we have to lock. It's already locked. It's already a nice earrings. See that, guys? It's a nice earrings. That's very easy. Look at that. Isn't it pretty earring, guys? A very nice earring I have.